Today we're going to be installing our one-touch motorization system on this large sliding glass door. In the box you'll see the two shades. First thing we're going to do is measure from the floor up to where you want to install your bracket, and then go ahead and mark it. And we start in the center of the sliding glass door. Next, we're going to go ahead and install the bracket, and then we had to add a spacer block because of the handle. So when we're installing it, we want to make sure that the shade, when it goes down, it's not going to hit the door handle. Next, we are going to install the second bracket in the center, and this will be for the right shade on this sliding door. Now, the easiest way is to put a level up and then put the bracket. Next, we are going to go ahead and add the other brackets. Now we're going to go ahead and attach the raceway to the brackets that were just installed. And you want to start in the center first. Install the hook and attach it to the wall. And that's what we're going to do first. Attach the wand to the hook. We're going to start by putting in the sides first, and we're also going to be attaching the clips to the top. And we want to make sure that we install the sides to the valance before we put that up as well. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and attach the brackets to the headrail. Now we're going to go ahead and attach the valance to the headrail, and what you want to do is line up the clips. Make sure that they're lined up, and then you could go ahead and snap them in. Okay, now we are completed with the installation of the one-touch motorization roller shades.